let's do this again.
Yeah.
Lost control. Let's go.
Whoa.
Damn.
Giant to a Maggie, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state. Ain't no way I could be out here living like the villain. Only way up for me.
Oh shit. God damn. That shit just takes off. Alright, so here we are, first official drive in the M4, or first drive out of town, and I'm telling you, I'm enjoying the M4 in stock form, even though my M3 really isn't that much modded, but it just feels different, same but different. Like, the M3 and M4, they're like 99% the same, but I don't know, maybe it's the sunroof, maybe it's the all-wheel drive system. Something about this car just feels a little bit different, slightly better, and I think it's probably the drivetrain. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna enjoy this drive. As you can see, cool scenery ahead of me. We're gonna go to a nice cool spot, get some nice cool cinematics, and we're gonna have a chat. So, yeah. I will say that this car feels a hell of a lot slower than my M3. But do a nice little pull. You can definitely tell the transmission shifts slower without the XHP. One thing I like about these cars is that you can just put it in two-wheel drive mode. There you go. You have your M traction control, which you can set your traction control. Oh my god, let me turn this down. To, as you can see here, it's moving from 1 to 10, which is pretty cool. Let's turn it fully off. Let's do a nice little pull here. Rear-wheel drive mode. Like that, and we're going to test that out later on. So we'll put it back into four-wheel drive sport. There we go. Switching from all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive is amazing. Is there any other car that does that that's not a truck or SUV? The power in stock form is very, very good. Alright, let's do this again. Lost control. Let's go. Damn. Dope. Haha. Wow. Not bad. 3.14. That felt good. Not bad. 3.14. I think we could do just a little bit better. Quarter mile time was 11.2. So we did a 1.6 60 foot, which got us that 3.14 0 to 60. And let's see here. Yeah, 11.2 bone stock from the factory. 11.2 quarter mile time. And what was our mile an hour? Doesn't say my mile an hour. Where's my mile an hour? That's what's important. Yeah, overall pretty cool. Not bad for a 100% bone stock car on crappy Pirelli tires. So here we are at the beach. Some of you are probably cringing that, you know, why are you taking your car out on the beach? Salt water, blah, blah. We're not going in the water, guys. I've taken every single car I've owned since I've lived here, out here to the beach. Never had any issues with rust or anything like that. One thing that I do, does that sound right? Is thoroughly clean the underbelly of the car once I get back. And I spend about 2-3 hours doing that. And I only do this about once or twice on each car, because I don't want to have rust issues. Now, this is cool. Some people, hey man, some people do take their cars out onto the water, but I'm not doing that. And as you can see, the sand's not deep. It's relatively flat. You have these, you know, all the two-wheel drive cars, regular cars out here. So shouldn't be an issue, but I want to go to a place where there's not that many people. And this beach is alright. This is called Ocean Shores. The water is like super duper cold, and I am not getting into that water. I'm good. As you can see, it's a happening spot. Usually it's very, very cloudy. Here that you can see some blue sky, and usually it's not like that out here. Ooh, that looks like fun. Oh man, look at that water. It just looks brown and nasty. Two-wheel drive mode. Maybe we'll do some donuts. Maybe, maybe not. DSC off, two-wheel drive mode. So easy. So let's check out this M traction control. So let's put it in 10. Two-wheel drive. Let's see if it spins. Oh, it's not letting it spin. I'm all the way down. Nope. Won't let you do it. Let's turn it down 1. It was spinning just a little bit. Stop doing that. Gesture control. 9. Yeah. Just a little bit. So that's 8. That's one feature I really love about this car is M traction control. You can dial in your traction control to the way that you want it, instead of where the previous generation you have MDM or off. That's it, or fully on. This one you can customize it. So we're at 8. Oh, that felt pretty nice. Controls the wheel spin really good. I know you guys can't see it, but 7. Turn down to 7. 7. Yeah. 6. That felt really good. 5. I heard 5 is kind of mimics MDM in a way. Yeah, 5 you can tell it'll let you get loose a little bit. Yeah, that sure will. So let's turn it around a little bit. You know what, let's just turn it to 3. Wheels are spinning. And 2. Oh yeah. Once you get down to, I don't know, let's try 4. Yeah, anything below 5, it'll let you spin the wheels. And let's turn it down to 1. Let's do number 1. Are spinning, definitely. Number 1, you can still get crazy with number 1. Yeah, this is number 1. 5. Let's do it to 5. Let's see if it'll let you get crazy. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell it's controlling. But at 5 you can still get loose. And 10, I don't think you can. No, 10, definitely not letting you. I'm foot to the floor. Definitely not. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Nice, good test. I know it's not official scientific test, but yeah, 5 lets you get loose a little bit. 10 won't do it. You kept cutting the throttle, you can really feel it. My foot was to the floor. But awesome. Really love that feature on this. All right, it's a little bit later. Let's go ahead and enjoy some back road twisties with this road that goes along next to the water. Absolutely love this road. And this car picks up pretty damn good, even in stock form. Absolutely love it, love it, love it. I love this platform. I think this platform just, it hits me, just hits me right. Just does it for me. I know it's not everybody's favorite. I get it. It's not a perfect car. But to me, are you guys pulling out? Nope, okay. But to me, you know, it just works, right? For what I can afford, and this time in my life, it just works. I know there's much better out there. I know there is, for sure. But for what I can get, realistically, this car just does it for me. This car's so quiet. It needs some noise. Anyways, I'm just gonna rip these corners, and that's pretty much it for the video. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.